Pass right by these very sharp creatures. I didn't even notice that right there.
Yep. Aww, you're cute.
And on the left over here, a black rhino. A black rhino are very rare. It's because so less than 5,000 up in the whole
There
world.
they are, all
Due to the
showing
fact that
out.
they've been heavily potion hunted for the horns. Great for 3,000 pounds. You can charge this piece for about 35 miles per hour. So they're pretty quick to get the size.
The bird's like, oh, you're very nice to sit on. Oh, other birds. That is a gigantic nest. Like giant. I've never seen that big of a nest. Oh god. Big nest over there.
5 feet tall. But now we're going to be making our way down towards the Cypress River, which is a great place to find the hippopotamus. Now hippos are very large, even larger than some of birds.